Hey, this is Kiko.
And this is Jake.
And I'm going to be doing a guest pack opening for Mythical Dumpster Fire. I don't know anything about Magic the Gathering, but this pack looked cute to me, so here we go. Ooh. Okay. So we have the Colrath Mystic.
I have no clue how to say that one. Tributary Volter.
Okay. The Unforgiving Aim. Reckless Ransacking. Little silly donkey. Scarblade Scout. Mist Meadow Consul. Dolmen Gate. That one's pretty cool.
I love the art for that one.
Thirst for Identity. Squawk Roaster.
Is that a bird on fire?
I think so. With a little nest around its neck. Perfect Intimidation. Thought-Weft Charge.
Sig Wanderwine Wisdom. Oh, that's the rare. It's a legendary creature. Okay. Can't be blocked. When this creature enters the battlefield... Wait. When this creature enters or transforms into Sig the Wanderwine Wisdom, target creature gains whenever this creature dealt combat damage to a player or planeswalker, draw a card. Oh, that's cool. And then it has a backside if you want to show the backside. So it's one of the transform creatures, so it has a new card on the back.
Oh. Ooh.
And then our foil is Gristle Glutton. All right, guys. Thanks for coming to episode 4 of Crack That Pack. Make sure you like and subscribe.